ocean, a timeless connector of nations, a highway of trade, a bridge of cultures, a canvas of shared destiny. For centuries, India's rich maritime heritage shaped our journey, our vision, our strength. In February 2026, the world's eyes turn to India. Nations will gather in friendship, partnership and shared purpose. International Fleet Review, a majestic display of naval pride, where tradition meets global strength. MILAN, one of the world's largest naval exercises, showcasing global maritime teamwork. IONS, Naval Chiefs Conclave, to chart the course of peace, security and shared prosperity. United through the ocean, India stands as a trusted partner, welcoming the world to collaborate, share knowledge and celebrate the power of the seas. See you in February 2026.